Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your rest of Berk app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here, and just click on settings. It's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps here. So then you come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Berk of risk of Berk app. You just click on search. Then here add risk of or race of backup, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, just go to your play store, click on it here. Then here you search for rest of Berk. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.